Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 16th to 20th March 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see 0.93% negative move, 1.32173 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart currently. If I talk about the weekly chart candle, then we can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a very tiny lower wick and a big upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 1132 level, which is indicating as a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make your decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can use the link given in the description where you can directly buy the course. Remember, these are no pre-recorded sessions. These are all live one-on-one sessions. So if you are interested to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number or you can use the link given in the description. So here, now let's talk about the closing first. So important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Here the closing is 1.32173. Here the direct support is 1.32035. Direct resistance is 1.32430. After direct support, there is a support of 1.31734 and then 1.31437. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.32677 and then 1.32892. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So before I talk about my opinion, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, I shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platform. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking it out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So before that, here 1.132173 is the closing. Here my expectations a bit positive in this range, that is 1.32430 to 1.32677. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, but remember here, if and only if there is a gap down opening and if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.32035 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a short till this level. Even you can go for a next level, which is this level as well. But if you're going for any long trade, then only go for a long trade once 1.32430 gets breached with a 4-hour one-day candle closing. Then only go for a long tail this level or even this level as well. Remember, in this range you don't need to do any because these are no trading zone. So overall, my expectation is bit in positive momentum in this range, which is a positive closing for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.